Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon in the oven. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, line a large baking sheet with aluminum foil or parchment paper for easy cleanup. Then, lay your bacon slices in a single layer on the prepared sheet, ensuring they do not overlap. This setup is key for perfectly cooked, crispy bacon every time. Now, place your baking sheet into the preheated oven. Bake the bacon for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on its thickness and your desired crispness. For even cooking, consider flipping the slices halfway through the baking time. Keep a close eye on it during the last few minutes to achieve that perfect, golden brown finish you love. Once your bacon reaches its ideal crispness, carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven. Use tongs to transfer the hot, crispy bacon to a plate lined with several layers of paper towels. This step helps to absorb any excess grease, making your bacon even more delicious. Allow the grease on the pan to cool before safely disposing of it. Cooking bacon in the oven offers several fantastic benefits. It ensures each slice cooks evenly, resulting in consistently crispy bacon without constant flipping. Plus, it's a much cleaner method, minimizing grease splatter on your stovetop. This technique is also perfect for preparing large batches, making breakfast for a crowd simple and stress-free. Enjoy your perfectly cooked oven bacon.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.